Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about, it's kind of a vlog whereby I'm going to do a maintenance vlog with you guys. I have an event that is coming up soon, my first event of content creation, you guys. Yeah, but for now I have to do the maintenance. The first thing is to do my hair. I already have a wig that I did because I'm going to wear a wig, a straight wig. I have to do the cornrows, and then I do the refill. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the refill for my lashes or I'm going to remove them. I'm also going to do my nails. My nails are long overdue, they're so old. And the nails, I'm going to do them in Windhoek. The event is in Windhoek. This vlog is going to be a combination of the north and Windhoek. So yeah, please enjoy. It's not really that hard when doing cornrows. You just need to practice. And I have a video up on my channel whereby I'm teaching how to cornrow your own hair. There I'm just moisturizing my hair with that brand that I use, the Long and Lasting hair moisturizer. It's very nice and it moisturizes so well. Yeah, that's the struggle of natural hair. No matter how you comb them, they always show you flames. But yeah, I think I know how to do them now, like to maintain them so well, not like before. You can see how excited I am to enjoy myself. When doing cornrows on your own, you don't really have to make them tight, only if you know the grip. But especially if you are starting, you have to struggle, but grip it them not too tight and not too loose, because that's what you want. You want them to be protected, like your hair to be protected down there. Don't include your edges if you have shorter edges like mine, because then you end up ripping them off, and that's not what you want. Really want to grow, or wanting to grow my edges so long, because they were off, but they are coming. I think this water is doing me justice. Yeah, I'm still experimenting it and see, then I'll come show you guys or share with you guys the secret to that. Yeah, enjoy the cornrow method. I'm just going to show you guys just that one cornrow, because I already have a video and I don't want this one to be too long. Yeah. And then one task is done, like I'm done doing my hair, minus one problem, because it's out of the way now. I love how my hair feels and how long they look. I love how the scalp feels, it's so clean. Next is washing my car. I always wash my car when I'm at work, because I have to drive plus minus 13 kilometers to go to the car wash. And when I'm coming back, because my car is black, it will be dusty, and then it's not nice. That's why I ended up just learning how to wash my car, and it's not really something that is hard. And when I'm washing, I'm just cleaning off the dust, because black catches dust so fast. The product that I used to wash my car with is just Sunlight dishwashing, and that cloth that is, remember those traditional or those long back nappies for the babies? That's ones that we buy from Pep, wherever you buy them from. Yeah, that is what I use. Yeah, I can even open up a car wash. It's part-time, so I'll be cashing out the money. Yes, I don't mind my dressing code. I always love being comfortable, and that is one of the comfortable wrapper in my closet. So I'm putting it on. And then I washed my car before I did my hair. That's why you can see that it's not giving cornrows vibe, but yeah, it is what it is. I already told you guys that I'm living in the village. That's why you can see those bushes. Styling my wig, I used that. And then that flat iron was a whole investment. I bought it in clicks and it really does the job. Show me you are working in the remote areas, my sister, my brothers. I use the gravel road. That is the shortest one that I use, which is closely to 20 kilometers or plus minus that. And those are the most stubborn animals on this earth. Yes, Friday morning. Welcome to Windhoek. I'm in Windhoek. Yes, because the event is taking place there. That's why I decided to give you guys this street, the best street, the longest street in Windhoek. I'm going to do my nails in Vanille by Hananangula's Cosmetics. Yeah, she's the best in town. She does makeup. If you are from Namibia, then you know her because she's really good, like good. I was so impressed by my nails. I just did them and they look so nice. We decided to go out for lunch. That was the most noisiest place ever. Like, the place was too loud. The people were telling too much of the stories. Yeah, that's what we got from there. And they save a lot of food. Ooh, we ended up not finishing that because food was too much. The restaurant is in Grove Mall. Yes, and it's very much affordable. Visit when you go there. One day, late in the afternoon, I decided to go fit in my dress, and that is where I was twirling it. I will show it later in the video. Saturday. Welcome to Saturday, where we are styling our wig. The wig that I posted earlier, like my previous video. That is the wig that I'm wearing, and I'm just retouching it and using the wax sticks just so we don't have flyaways. I have a hot comb, but it's misbehaving. It doesn't give me the heat that I want. So I'm just using the tonga, or what do you say it? As we call it, the tonga. I don't know. Yeah, that one. That is something that I've been owning for years. I think I bought that in clicks 2016, 17. Yeah, because I remember that is something that I've been using while I was in university. My hair were really behaving so well, and they looked so neat and perfect. I was so scared to try out the side part, and mostly on my right hand side, but it came out so perfect and I loved it. I'm wearing a 5x5 closure, and I glued it down with a go-to-be glue and spray. It really was intact. It was there, like there. It was staying. Yum. I was running out of time. That's why I didn't film the makeup look or how I was doing the makeup, but that is how I'm saving it. And that is a dress I was telling you guys I went to fit on. I was also scared to try out blue and white because the theme for the event was blue and white, and I was so scared, but I ended up eating that up. Check. Oh girl, I'm giving you guys some works. Yours. Fortunately, I went to the party late. That's why I'm taking the video so late. But yeah, they were playing really nice music. I loved it. Let me give you guys some clips of the music. The setup was really perfect. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. See ya. Bye.